Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to call a person in Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Messenger. Now to call someone, you can simply tap on message here. Then you can see the option of audio call, video call and other information. Then you should have to tap on, even you can tap on video call or audio call. So I am doing audio call, so I am tapping on the first option which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it and see you have successfully called someone.